Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade V8 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with back camera. To get access to mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button in the right corner. So hi again. And now we have to slide simply to the left to get access to this panel and move to the right corner at the bottom to open the advanced camera settings. Here in the camera category at the last position we can find the mirror option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off the camera mirror effect as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.